May mga pinasarang lending companies ang SEC. Let's discuss this in this video. First and foremost, ang SEC, meron yan power to order the revocation of the license of a non-compliant corporation. Halimbawa, yung corporation is engaged in fraudulent transactions or hindi nagsasubmit ng mga required reports. And yung SEC can also inform the public ano ba yung mga hindi registered na mga kumpanya. Si SEC din informs the public ano yung mga kumpanya na hindi pwedeng mag-alok ng investments. Before we proceed, I run an anti-scam campaign. Sana suportahan niyo po ako dito dahil yung mga kaibigan ko and especially my wife, nabiktima din ng TASI scam. So just click any of the links below to purchase my ebook. This 2025, may mga press release si SEC regarding the lending companies na pinasara. And I would like to share this with you para aware din kayo. So first, SEC has revoked the corporate registration or the lending license of Hyphen Lending. Kasi ito si Hyphen Lending, nag-fail na mag-submit ng list of third-party service providers. Ang mga lending companies kasi, halimbawa meron sila mga collecting agents, once na ni-require sila ng SEC to submit itong listahan na to, dapat mag-submit sila. Kasi ang objective dyan is ma-prevent yung harassment or any forms of harassment sa paniningil ng utang. So, I'm showing on the screen itong press release ng SEC. So, makikita nyo naman to sa SEC website, sa sec.gov.ph. So, second, the SEC issued a cease and desist order against Hupan Lending Technology for operating an online lending platform. Si SEC kasi, meron yan Memorandum Circular Number 10, Series of 2021. This is a moratorium on the registration of new online lending platforms. That memorandum was issued kasi magdadraft pa ng new rules or guidelines para ma-address yung mga needs ng borrowers and syempre ma-prevent yung abusive and predatory practices ng mga lending or financing companies. So, yung online lending platform ng Hupan is, ang pangalan niya is Magic Peso. Ito pa, yung Cashme, Suki Loan, Peso Poly, and Loan Tayo. So, ayan, take note of these OLPs. Okay, so merong moratorium na nagsasabi na hindi muna magre-register ng mga new OLPs. So, it was released in 2021. Next is SEC revoked the corporate registration of Surety Cash Lending for unfair debt collection practices. As found by the SEC, na-violate ni Surety itong Memorandum Circular Number 18 Series of 2019 on Prohibition on Unfair Debt Collection Practices. This order was issued in response to the 5 complaints na na-receive ng SEC regarding surety's abusive collection practices. So, base dito sa Memorandum Circular, hindi mo pwedeng takot-takutin yung debtor or hindi mo pwede silang harasin or ipahiya sa kanilang mga pamilya. Bawal mo silang i-post sa social media. Next is SEC issued CDO. CDO is cease and desist order against an individual for operating a lending business without registration and approval from the SEC. Sabi ng SEC, si Santos daw has allegedly been offering loans to the public ranging from 30,000 to 600,000 pesos since 2018 and wala siyang required authority and registration. So, it was highlighted dito sa press release na under Republic Act 9474 or the Lending Company Registration Act of 2007, a lending company should be registered with the SEC and must secure a certificate of authority from the SEC. And take note, pag binasa mo tong batas na to, only the corporations ang pwede mag-register as a lending company. So, yung mga shinare ko on the screen, pwede nyo yan ma-download o pwede nyo yan ma-view sa sec.gov.ph. So, ganyan lang ka-short yung ating discussion today. And sana marami pa rin kayong napulot na aral, lalo na yung mga abusive collection practices na pinoprohibit ng SEC. So for now, please like this video, share this with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit that notification bell icon para ma-notify kayo ng mga next videos ko na i-upload. Thank you very much.